Did you activate Creative Fabrica's free first month trial for their AI tools, but now you don't know how to turn it off? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel that subscription. Right now, I am on Creative Fabrica's Studio AI page. As you can see, there is an icon in the top right corner. Click on that icon and you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on it and it will take you to your main Creative Fabrica account. Next, scroll down the left side and click on the subscription option. Here, you can view the packages you have subscribed to. Under the status section, you should see an option called Manage Subscription. Note, if you don't see this option, it means your subscription status is still showing as activating subscription. If that's the case, you will need to click the support button in the bottom right corner and send a message to customer service explaining your issue. Within about a day, the Manage Subscription option should appear. Once you see it, click Manage Subscription. You will see a box labeled Membership. Underneath it, click the option that says End Your Subscription. Next, you will need to log back into your account using your email and password. Read the instructions provided on the screen and click the required boxes and click Next. Scroll down again, click Next once more, and finally click End Subscription. And that's it! You have successfully canceled your subscription. If you want to see more useful videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like.